Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on installing PGA and GetOrganelle for Chloroplast Genome Analysis Suite. In this video, we will walk through the complete installation process of these two softwares. By the end of this tutorial, you will have both tools fully configured and ready to use within your CGAS conda environment. Let's start with a quick overview of what we will cover in today. First, we will install PGA, which stands for Plastome Genome Annotator. This is a powerful tool for automatically annotating chloroplast genome. Second, we will initialize GetOrganelle database. GetOrganelle is essential for assembling organelle genome from sequencing read and it reads reference database to work effectively. Finally, we will verify that everything is installed correctly and ready to use. Let's get started. The requirement is that you have installed the Anaconda, you have also did previously the CGAS environment, you have the internet connection. Already installed tools are included Blast Plus in CGAS for 5.32. You will either need to install it or sometime the WSL is also installing it or the CGAS having many tools which already installed the FER and Git organelle also included in the CGAS. Now we will go to the PGA installation, which is the step one. First of all, we will activate CGAS environment by giving the command conda activate CGAS. This will ensure all tools are available in the correct environment. Now we will clone the PGA repository. But before doing this, we will first verify that we have the blast and we have the FAR. First step is the installation of PGA. For this, we will activate the CGAS conda environment. We will give the command conda activate CGAS. After that, we will go to the home directory and we will clone the PGA from GitHub. We will just type these two commands. After that, we will make the alias for the PGA by putting just these command lines. And after doing this, then we can proceed with the installation process. Here I have given my username Abdullah. You need to replace Abdullah with your actual username. When you did this, then you can confirm that the PGA is integrated with the CGAS. You just need to put PGA H and this will give you the confirmation. We already installed the Git organelle in the conda environment of CGAS, but the Git organelle initialization is important and this should be done before using Git organelle. So what we will do, we will activate the CGAS environment and then we will just give this command. When we give this command, here the implant PT mean the chloroplast or plastic genome and implant empty for the mitochondrial genome. Implant empty is for the mitochondrial genome because you can also do the assembly of mitochondrial genome or any other genome, but I have just given here these two. Okay, after that, when you did this, then you can just proceed with all the processes. But here I just given that for the plant genome organism, you need to follow these commands, and you can also use all for all the databases installation. Now you can just check the install databases by putting GetOrganelles config.py with the list. Now the installation is completed. I will now show you practically that how you can install these programs. First, we will confirm that the blast and fur are installed. Now we will clone the PGA. Now we will list the PGA and find the path of the PGA. When we give the PGA, we are finding nothing. Now we will install the alias. Now after installation, we can see the PGA is successfully installed. Now we will run the PGA. Now when the PGA completed, this will provide the complete result to us. Now we will run the module 1 for the GetOrganelle. First I will show you that the GetOrganelle is not providing any good result. Just see, this is not providing any result to us. Now we will first do the initialization. The same command line which we previously mentioned. When we do the initialization, we will get the results. Just see, the initialization is completing. We will wait a little. When this initialization become completed, then we will proceed with the module 1 for the genome assembly. Just see now, this is completed. Now we will run the module 1 and just see, now the process is started successfully. So this is the whole process.